The multifunctional electricians pliers are an essential tool for every electrician. They can be used for 7 different types of operations. You can wind hard wire and bend rings, which can be bent to the right or to the left side, as the pliers have rounding on both sides of the one jaw. You can use them to strip off insulation from diameter 2.2 millimeters to diameter 3.0 millimeters and diameter 3.5 millimeters to diameter 4.0 millimeters. They can be used to cut wire diameter 2.2 millimeters to diameter 4.0 millimeters, crimp insulated spade terminals, crimp cable terminals up to diameter 4.0 millimeters, and grip objects with a more delicate surface. The pliers' jaws are serrated to prevent the wire from slipping and ensure a firm grip of cables and wires. Due to their special innovative design and shape, the handles ensure an extremely firm grip. As a result, they prevent slipping and enable safer and more effective transmission of power, as well as greater stability. The multifunctional electricians pliers allow great precision and maximum efficiency with minimal strain.